Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to go through my CS50 Python final project. So I made like a crypto exchange as a command line program. I used SQLite and CoinGecko API to make the program. And yeah, I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it's like 300 lines of code. But I've just used functions basically, and I used a few libraries like requests and sys for command line arguments. But yeah, it's mostly just functions. I didn't really use classes or anything like that. So yeah, let's actually go through how the program works. So Python project you need a command line argument to start it. So you need start, and boom, we're in. So basically you get like a menu. It's like basically if you opened up Coinbase or Binance, this is what you would see, like the most important tabs or most essential tabs that you do your crypto stuff on. So first we have price lookup, and by the way, all these menus or all these different things, they obviously have input validation, but I'm not going to go through all of them because it's just going to take too long. So let's just put the correct input for all of them. So let's just do Bitcoin and 10 days, and then we get the live price for Bitcoin in the past 10 days. As I said, it's using CoinGecko's API, which is very good, but it's free. So one thing to bear in mind is that if you spam it too much, you're going to get limited, because that's how most APIs work. So let's go deposit or withdraw funds. So currently we have $50. So let's go back and clear our account just to show it works. We can deposit more funds. Let's do like 2,000. We have $2,000. Let's withdraw like 500. I have 1,500 now. So we have buy and sell crypto. Let's go to our portfolio first. Just to see, we have nothing for now. Let's go buy some Bitcoin. Let's do 3,000. We don't have that much, so it won't work. Let's do 500. Then let's buy some Ethereum. Do 250. Then we can check our portfolio, and boom, our coins are there. So let's sell some Ethereum. Sell 200 of it, and the price is updated, of course, in the portfolio. Then we have the watch list, currently empty, so let's add Dogecoin maybe, and what else? Litecoin maybe. So they're in the watch list now, as you can see. Let's go back. The last thing here is popular cryptocurrencies. So basically I went on CoinGecko's API, and you can basically sort the top 10 currencies by market cap, so that it returns this list every time updated, obviously. And yeah, that was pretty much my project. Took me like a few days, like 4 hours a day. But I definitely learned a lot in the CS50 Python course. And one thing I wish I did was probably use classes somewhere in this project, but you can pretty much do everything with functions, and I could get my head around all of it easier. But yeah, maybe next time I'll definitely find a way to incorporate classes into whatever I'm doing next. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.